Stop cooking jollof rice the same old way. Join me and discover the authentic Nigerian native jollof rice recipe made with palm oil, local spices, and a rich traditional flavor that hits differently. If your native jollof never tastes like this, you really have not started. Let's cook. First, we'll blend our tomatoes, red bell peppers, scotch bonnet peppers, and onions. I blend them coarsely without water. You may add a little water if you prefer it smooth. Now, heat up some palm oil in a pot over medium heat. We are not bleaching the oil. We are just warming it until it shimmers. Next, add in some chopped onions and fry for about 2 minutes. To bring out that rich native flavor, we will add our locust beans or Nkiru and fry until it becomes fragrant. Next, add ogiri. Stir it and let it fry for about a minute before adding our blended pepper mix. We will let this cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally until it thickens and the oil rises to the top. That's how you know the sauce is ready. Next, add in the pepper soup spice mix. Dried scent leaves, also known as Nkiru, and then dried shrimps. If you are using fresh scent leaves, you will add it towards the end of the cooking. If you don't have scent leaves, you can use mint leaves. Now add the seasoning cubes and mix to combine very well. While our sauce is cooking, I washed the rice to remove excess starch. This helps prevent it from turning mushy. Now we will add our washed rice into the sauce and mix everything together so the rice absorbs all that delicious flavor. Next, we pour in our stock, about 6 to 7 cups. Mix it up to combine, check for seasoning and adjust as needed. You may use water in place of stock. Next, add dried fish and ground crayfish. I want you to observe that I didn't mix in the crayfish because I don't want it to get burnt. Cover the pot. We will let it simmer on low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes until the rice is perfectly cooked. This is our authentic native jollof rice after 15 minutes. The rice is almost fully cooked. Go ahead and mix it up to combine very well. Cover it up and allow it to simmer for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, mix the rice again. You want to combine all the ingredients and deliciousness together. Now here is some magic. Cover the rice with parchment paper and then the lid and allow to simmer for another 5 minutes. You want to get rid of any mushiness. Give it a final fluffing and our super delicious authentic native Nigerian jollof rice with palm oil and special spices is ready. Look at that. The rich palm oil aroma, the perfect texture. This is how you make authentic native Nigerian jollof rice. Now it's time to dig in. This native jollof rice pairs perfectly well with assorted meats, stock fish, fried plantains, and some vegetables too. Trust me, you are going to love it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give this recipe a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and drop a comment below. Let me know how you enjoy your jollof rice. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you will not miss any delicious recipe from me. See you in the next video. Bye for now.